Hey guys, welcome to this video. Yeah, I'll be showing you how you can edit and publish a post on Medium for not just better performance on the algorithm, but also better performance on search engines. So let's get started. So I already have my post ready here. You can write your post in the editor itself or copy from another writing tool and paste. Here I copied from doc and pasted into the editor itself. But doing it this way, there's a problem that I usually face, which is the H1 and H2 tags, which I've set. Medium usually reads it as just titles, so I have to manually change them to subtitles as the very first step into my editing process. But since it's usually not much, I can't say this is a disadvantage. So there you have it. So the medium editor, like any other writing tools, allows you to gives various text formats which you can use to edit your post. Bold, italics, you can even add links and so on. And another option editing feature which I think is really cool is the quotes. Yeah, you can make a quote this way, and if you just tap it again, it becomes a block quote. Just makes your post visually appealing to readers. So go ahead and make this packet. So yeah, that's what I want. So next thing you can do is to add images, of course. But before I get there, I'd like to show you how to add a subtitle and kicker. Now I know you may be wondering what those are if you are new to Medium and haven't yet fully explored the features of this editing software. So I'll just go ahead and do this. Now when I make this a subtitle, see, it just makes it look nice and another visual appealing feature. So you can also add a kicker. Let's just go with this. See, it's although it scatters my subtitle at first, but once I do this, everything blends well. That's nice. So Medium also allows you to add images on the platform without having to go to another image provider or just like on Splash. Rather, it gives you access to Splash directly. So if I wanted to add an image here, I just have to use a keyword I think but give me the image I'm looking for. Yeah, this is what I want. So you can also have the option to upload a custom image yourself from your device, add a video, embed, and this one, add a new section. Another nice feature I like using. So that's basically the how to structure your posts if you were wondering how to do that. Okay, before I proceed to the other things I'd like to show you, I should do this. Yes, sometimes you like to add a link to other posts inside your article, and doing it this way just isn't nice. But once I press enter, it makes it look more attractive, and that's what's important you need to know. So having said that, we can dive into the next step. Somehow similar to getting the post ready on WordPress, your more settings on Medium allows you to optimize your post for search engines. So first, you can choose to pin the story to the top of your profile or not, depending on your choice. And once you've done that, it's time for the topics. Topics are somehow similar to your tags on social platforms if you were wondering what it is. You can ask your post to show up to people who are following that particular topic. I guess, yeah, I think that's how it works. So you can go ahead and add a topic that's relevant to your article. For this post, I guess this will be most relevant. Yes. So you can add up to 5 topics depending on your choice. It's best and advised to use the entire 5 slots to increase your chances of viewers seeing your post. Moving on to the SEO settings, yes, this is where the majority of your attention should go to. The SEO title. Now, if you are wondering what SEO titles are, they are basically this big blue link that shows up on search engines or on Google results page. This big blue link is your SEO title. Now, notice how this has been cut off or this has been truncated. That's because the title exceeded the maximum character counts that Google uses. So it's best to keep it between 40 and 50 characters as medium advised. So over 60 characters will be truncated here. For this SEO title, I currently have 81. So when I do this, still have 66. Okay, so perfect. That's how you can get around for it, your SEO title. Now your SEO description. These little lines below the big blue link are what we call SEO descriptions. Now your SEO description has to be relevant because it serves as the preview of your post. If done wrong, it can negatively affect your post performance. You want to make sure your SEO description describes your post well in as little words as possible. Now, one thing you should know when imputing your SEO description is that you need to impute your article keywords inside the description. They have to appear in the description and the SEO title. But you might, if you are familiar with SEO, you know why I'm saying this, because keywords are necessary to show up on Google search engines. They might not be necessary. I don't think they really are necessary for your post success on Medium. Medium doesn't really require adding keywords. That's what I think. But for search engines, for Google, it's a must. You need to have a keyword because keywords are what the Google algorithm uses to rank your post for a user's query. Now, this may sound weird to you if you know nothing about SEO, but that's basically it. You need keywords to rank on Google. If you're publishing for WordPress, you can add insert keywords into the links to the post. Generally, insert the keywords you want to aim for, but Medium doesn't have any feature like that. So you may wonder, how can I still optimize my content for a particular keyword? The answer is simple. Just impute the keyword you need or you are aiming for in your SEO description, your title preview, your SEO title, and into the body of your post. These are basically the 3 things you need to do if you want to rank on Google, which I think we writers should be aiming for because Google is the number 1 place, best place where we can actually promote our Medium posts and achieve any goals we are aiming for. So once you're done with your SEO settings and everything, you can go ahead to publish. Here you can choose to change the previewed image. If it's perfect for you, go ahead and add a subtitle. Now your subtitle and your SEO description, as I said earlier, are different. This is for Medium, the other is for Google. So add a subtitle that you think would work best for your posts. And don't forget to review the topics you set earlier for your post. If you are perfectly fine with it, you can then hit publish. So that's it, how you can quickly edit and publish a post on Medium. Just to review, you can do this in 2 major steps. Structure your post with the editor and correctly set your SEO topics, titles, and descriptions. And as a bonus for me, ensure your post body, title, and description contains the keyword you are aiming for. That's it for me on this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to hit the follow button on the Medium post. So thanks for watching and see you next time.